Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account. This link searches to your profile. Once signed in, go to Google Account, open Data and Privacy, and tap Web and App Activity. This is where Google records searches and related activity. Make sure Chrome Sync is enabled so searches saved on one device follow you to others. Starting here avoids extra steps later and immediately prepares the account to receive saved search data. You're now ready to enable and configure the recording options. Now you enable recording. Toggle Web and App Activity on and then enable the option to include Chrome history and activity from sites and apps. That ensures queries typed in the Omnibox and other search boxes are saved. Next, choose Auto Delete settings to control retention. Select 3 months, 18 months, or keep until you delete. This balances privacy and convenience. Once done, double-check which devices are listed under Activity Controls so you capture searches from phone, tablet, and desktop without missing any data. Finish by verifying activity in My Activity. You'll see saved searches there, and you can delete specific entries or entire days. If you prefer, use pause to stop future saves without altering past data. Make sure sync and cookies are active on each browser if saving fails. If something goes wrong, remember, incognito mode, being signed out, or disabled sync will prevent saves. Sign back in, enable sync, and retry. That resolves the most common problems and completes the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.